Hello everyone, my name is Rhollen and in this opportunity I'd like to present to you about what a business letter. So first I'd like to apologize because I can always look on the camera because I have my material in the laptop beside me. So maybe some of you still doesn't know what is a business letter. So business letter is a letter from one company to another or between such organization and their customers, client, or other external parties. Next, other correspondence business letter. So there are other correspondence business letter. So first is letter, and then memo, fax, and let's say email. Then sender and recipients. If the sender is about a business, so the receive should be like a business, and the sender if the sender is business, the recipient is a consumer also. Then if the sender job applicant, the receive is company, the citizen, the receive will be government official, and employer, the receive will be employee, and staff member, the receive should be staff member too. And then business letter also have a purpose. So first there are purpose that business letter have used to as a to persuade, inform, request, express thanks, remind, recommend, apologize, congratulate, reject a proposal or offer, introduce a person or policy, to invite or welcome, to follow up, and formalizing decisions. Next, and there are quite a lot of business letter vocabulary that you could use as you can see on the screen, and I will not explain all of them. I'll explain some of them. So first is a letterhead. What is letterhead? Letterhead is the heading at the top of a sheet of letter paper. The heading usually consists of a name of an address and a logo or a corporate design, and sometimes a background pattern. And next is we have a postage. So postage is the cost of sending a letter or package by mail, the stamps attached to a letter or package. And proofread. Proofread is a read or a print proof or other written or printed material, and to mark any errors. And then punctuation. So punctuation is the use of spacing, conventional signs, and certain typographical devices as aids to the understanding and correct reading of written text, whether read silently or aloud. And then we have rect right. So ragged right is a text margin treatment in which all lines begin hard against the left hand margin but are allowed to end short and of the right hand margin. Next we have business letter format. There are also quite a lot of business letter format you should use. It's like you should use A4 or 8.5 times 11-inch paper or letterhead. Use 2.5 centimeter or 1-inch margin on all of sides. Use 10 to 20 point font. Use a simple font such as Times New Roman or Arial, and use comma after solution. For example, it's like dear Mr. Bond, comma. Then lay out the letter so that it fits the paper appropriately, and single space within paragraph, so it's and the double space between paragraph, double space between last sentence and closing, sincerely, comma, best wishes, or then leave 3 to 5 spaces for a handwritten signature, and meaning copies to comes after the type names if necessary, and then meaning and closure comes next if necessary too. Fold in 3 horizontally before placing in the envelope, and Use right formatting, not justified on the right side. Next is formatting business letter. There are three types of formatting: is formatting business letter, formatting envelope for business letter, formatting business emo. So first, formatting business letter. Block format is the most common format used in the business today. With this format, nothing is centered. The sender's address, the recipient address, the date, and all new paragraphs begin at the left margin. Then formatting envelope for business letter. It is the best to type an envelope for a business letter. Most Word document programs contain an envelope labeling function to help you. And formatting business memo. Memos are short internal business letters sent to other staff within the same company. In contrast to letter, memos do not usually contain salutation or closing and may be typed or handwritten. And it's planning a business letter. A business letter is not a place for chit chat. A business letter should be clear and concise. Then writing a business letter is you have a salutation, first paragraph, second and third paragraph, final paragraph, closing, and writing tips. And proofreading a business letter. The most important thing when proofreading any document is to read the text out loud. And there are also a sample of business letter that you can see in the screen. And that's all that I can explain about the business letter in this opportunity. And I'm sorry if I have wrong spoken. And thank you.